guys, welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow I'm going to Rise Festival, so I'm gonna do a refresher on my hair. Got a little faded from the sun and from washing it. I'm going to make it a little more vibrant again. I'm going to add the mahogany red from Chi once again. I have some new products coming in soon from a brand called Overtone. I can't wait to try them out and let you guys know how it is too. I'm waiting on the package. But for now, I'm gonna use the Chi Mahogany Red. I still have a little bit left. This is the iconic color. It's been so reliable. Guys, I didn't have so much product left, so I put as much as I could to cover up any of the faded spots. I probably missed some spots still, but it doesn't have to be perfect because I saved a little bit of the color conditioner so I can fix it up again after the festival, because I know I'm gonna have to wash this hair super good after all the dirt and dust gets in my hair from all the wind and stuff out there. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna let this sit for about maybe 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll wash everything out just like usual, and then I'll show you guys the results tomorrow. Guys, it's been 2 hours, so time to wash it out. I'll be back tomorrow, guys, with my hair styled, and I'll show you guys my outfit for the Rise Festival. Good night.